There's a river that I run to when I'm empty. It keeps flowing every morning, grace and mercy. When I'm walking through the valley, I will not fear. I will never be convinced that he is not there. Oh, be courageous. He never changes. There's a Father who is present and he sees us. Make no mistake about it, his name is Jesus.
When I was 5, I got down on my knees and prayed to you. I found my peace in your presence, I put my faith in you.